Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How you are doing? Yes, I'm so excited today, and I'm loving this look that I have on, and I know you already love it. And this is to say that if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do not forget to hit the notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you will be the first to get it. Okay? And this channel is for all-round beauty. Talk about makeup, talk about hair, talk about lifestyle, and all of that. Okay, so please subscribe. Thank you. So today's video is this easy everyday makeup tutorial, really natural. So and that is what I have on. I know you love it already. Okay, so let's just go straight into the video, and do not forget to leave me your comments. You just tell me what you think about the look. Okay, so the first thing I had to do was to get my face ready. I had to do that behind the camera, and again I have a detailed video on how to prepare your skin, how to get your face ready before you apply your makeup. So if you have not yet seen that video, please go back and watch it. Thank you very much. And the next thing I did was to get my eyebrows done. Yes, so I had to do that also behind the camera. Yeah, and the next thing now is going to be my foundation. I am using the Revlon colorstay foundation. Yeah, the shade is caramel. It's not. Okay, so I'm just going to blend. Now you should know that by now blending is key, so I'm just going to blend in properly. Wondering what I'm looking at here? I have a mirror. I'm not using so much foundation today because I just want this look to be as easy and simple, soft as possible. It's an everyday look. Blending foam. Beauty blender. I'm using my LA Girl concealer. I'm not using so much. I'm just going to blend. I'll be using my benign setting powder. To set my face. I'm going to be using my Lipgloss palette for just a powder contour. I'm going to be using this one here. And my forehead. This is my blending brush. So it's time for eyeshadow, my favorite part of my makeup. I'm going to be using my eyeshadow palette, and this one is from Juvia's Place. It's the Nubian 2. Okay, so these are the colors. I love the colors a lot. Then my brush. I'm going to start with this color. I'm just going to smoke my under eye with the same color. I'm using my concealer as my eyeshadow primer. Alright, my blending brush, I'm just going to like dab it a little. I'm using this color. I'm just going to add a little of this one, just at the end. Okay, so that's it. It's time for my eyelashes, and I'm using a very short eyelashes because I want to keep it very simple, you know. Okay, so I have my lashes on now. It's very short, you know, simple, and it's looking so natural. So I'm just going to use this color here and just blend, you know, blend over everything again, just to brush through. Okay, so that is it. Next, I'll be using this lipstick. It's from CoverGirl, and it is Enchantress. It's 365, and this is what it looks like. Yeah. I'm just going to like apply a soft brown pencil. This one. Then I have my lip gloss. I'm going to be using my powder again to dust off the setting powder, and I'll be using this shade, this one, and this one. So I'm not going to forget my neck. This is my blending brush. Going to all the corners. Then just going to apply powder here. Okay, so that is it. I'm going to use this color as my blush. So okay, so I have my mascara here. Okay, so that is it for the look. I had to go put on this wig. I actually made this wig, yes. If you love this look, so don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with your friends. Leave me your comments. Just tell me what you think about the look. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do not forget to hit the notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you will be the first to get it. Okay, so I'll see you in my next one. Bye.